Guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to do a video about my cats. I have two cats. So this one is Freya. She is a Siamese mixed cat, and we adopted her from the local humane society. She's such a fun cat. She loves people. She loves to, go around and look into different things. She loves to look at birds, go outside, and she is actually a good hunter too. So we don't really let her go outside that much. As you can see, she has weird looking ears. When we adopted her from the Humane Society, she did not have those ear tips. They said, somebody brought her into the Humane Society um, because they found her outside in the middle of the winter, and she had frostbites in her ears, and they had to surgically remove those so she doesn't have any ear tips, but she can hear pretty good, so she doesn't have any trouble hearing, just the look of it. um, so she loves to go into my kitchen cabinets and kind of sit in there, and we don't really have um, anything in these cabinets because this is on top of the fridge. She just goes in there. Sometimes she'll sleep in there too. She just likes to look at us from the above. She can see everything really well. She's such a curious cat. So this is my other cat. She is a gray kitty. We've had her for about 8 years. She's actually 8 years old, and she was adopted from the Humane Society too. And she is a Russian blue mix. Here I've given them some catnip. Freya loves to eat catnip, and Rainy just loves to sniff catnip. And yeah, they both like just rubbing everywhere and sniffing catnip makes them happy. They get along pretty well, but Freya loves to play, and Rainy's kind of a timid cat. She doesn't really want to play, and she's older, and Freya's younger, so um, Freya wants to kind of run around, but Rainy prefers to just stay in one place. So they get along fine, but they're not best friends. Hey guys, I hope you enjoyed my video. Leave me a comment below, subscribe, like my video, and I'll see you guys with my next video. Thanks for watching.
Stupid.